Good sleep is as crucial as regular exercise and a healthy diet. Did you know that humans spend about 1/3 of their lives asleep? But why? Sleep plays a vital role in good health and well-being throughout your life. Getting enough quality sleep at the right times can help protect your mental health, physical health, quality of life, and safety. During sleep, your body is working to support healthy brain function and maintain your physical health. In children and teens, sleep also helps support growth and development. The damage from sleep deficiency can occur in an instant, such as a car crash, or it can harm you over time. Sleep deficiency can raise your risk for some chronic health problems. It also can affect how well you think, react, work, learn, and get along with others. Here's a fun fact. Did you know that before the color TV was invented, most people dreamt in black and white? Studies show that this changed after color television became the norm. Fascinating, right? Another surprising fact is that sea otters hold hands when they sleep to keep from drifting apart. This behavior, known as rafting, helps them stay together and safe while they rest. Lastly, did you know that humans are the only mammals that willingly delay sleep? Most animals sleep when their bodies signal to, but humans can ignore these signals thanks to things like electronic devices and busy schedules. In conclusion, sleep is a fundamental component of human health, akin to breathing, eating, and drinking. It allows our bodies and minds to recharge, leaving us refreshed and alert when we wake up. Healthy sleep also helps the body remain healthy and stave off diseases. Without enough sleep, the brain cannot function properly, affecting concentration, clear thinking, and memory processing. Remember, a good night's sleep is not a luxury, it's a necessity.